Cheers to beer, surprising and fun beer facts you didn't know. Hey there, beer enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're raising our glasses to one of the world's favorite beverages, beer. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into some surprising and fun beer facts that you probably didn't know. So, grab your favorite brew, sit back, and let's get started. Did you know that beer has ancient origins dating back over 7,000 years? It was a staple in the diets of ancient civilizations. For example, the Sumerians in Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq, were brewing beer as early as 5000 BCE. It was so highly valued that they even had a goddess of beer named Ninkasi. Talk about a divine brew. Germany is renowned for its brewing traditions, and one interesting fact is the Reinheitsgebot, or the German beer purity law. Enacted in 1516, it dictated that beer could only be brewed with water, malted barley, hops, and later, yeast. This law influenced brewing practices around the world and emphasized the importance of quality ingredients. When it comes to beer, the variety is astounding. From refreshing lagers to hoppy IPAs and rich stouts, there's a style for every palate. Did you know that there are over 100 recognized beer styles? Explore the diverse world of beer, and you'll never run out of exciting flavors to try. Ever heard of Trappist and Abbey beers? These brews have a fascinating history. Trappist beers are brewed by monks within Trappist monasteries, while Abbey beers are brewed in collaboration with or inspired by monastic traditions. These beers often have unique characteristics and exceptional craftsmanship, making them a true labor of love. Beer comes in various strengths, measured by alcohol by volume, ABV. While lighter beers typically have an ABV of around 3 to 4%, there are also stronger brews out there. Some extreme beers have reached astonishing ABVs of 20% or even higher. But remember, it's important to enjoy these potent brews responsibly. Beer festivals are a fantastic way to celebrate the love of beer and discover new flavors. From the iconic Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany, to the Great American Beer Festival in the United States, these festivals bring together beer enthusiasts from around the world. It's a wonderful opportunity to try a vast array of brews and immerse yourself in the beer culture. Beer isn't just a beverage, it's a perfect companion for food too. Beer pairings can elevate your dining experience. Light lagers complement seafood and salads, while IPAs enhance the flavors of spicy dishes. Stout beers go wonderfully with chocolate desserts. The possibilities are endless, so experiment and discover your favorite beer and food combinations. Well, beer lovers, we've just scratched the surface of the fascinating world of beer. From its ancient origins to diverse styles, brewing traditions, and exciting beer festivals, there's so much to explore and enjoy. Cheers to beer and the camaraderie it brings. Remember to savor your brews responsibly. Until next time, keep raising those glasses and discovering new beer adventures. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to watch more upcoming interesting videos.
Damn.